Okay, you have to solve. Solve means what? You have to find the value of x. Okay, you see what the math is given. Write down 3 plus x 4 2 4 2 4 2 plus x 4 2 plus x different dimension, math of different dimension. Then 2 3 4 plus x, it is equal to 0. This is the math. Dear students, you have to solve. If I add this 9 plus x, if I add this, we'll get 9 plus x. 9 plus x. It is 4. 2 plus x. It is 3. It is then 2. It is 3. It is 4 plus x is equal to 0. What we have done here? Actually, it is what? It is rows, right? That means row 1. It is what? Not row, it is sorry, column. Column 1 has been found by adding column 1, column 2, and column 3. This column has been found by adding this and this. Okay. Now you see, we can take 9 plus x as common. So we are left with 1, 1, 1, 4, 2 plus x, 3, 2, 3, 4 plus x, 0. We are getting this right. Is it? Yes, it is. Now, what should be done? We have got 1, 1, 1. As I told you earlier, if you get 1, 1, 1, then you're lucky. That means your luck is here. That is 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Can you please let me know this minus this equals to what? 2 minus x. This minus this equals to what? 2 plus x minus 3. That is x minus 1. 2 minus 3 equals to what? 3 minus this. Minus 1 minus x. 4 plus x. What I have done here, can you please let me know? I have subtracted from row to row. That means row 1 is equal to row 1 minus row 2. And row 2 is equal to row 2 minus row 3. Is it okay? Just subtraction. G. Hello. Are you getting me right? Now
Yes,
9
sir.
plus x. Now you see this is 0, all will be 0, 0, all will be 0. This is 1. That means along this column and along this row will not be considered. So you are left with 2 minus x, x minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus x is equal to 0. So now we have got a very small math. It means 9 plus x, second bracket, 2 minus x, minus 1, minus x, minus minus plus. That's okay. Anyway, minus 1, x minus 1. Now, can you please calculate it by yourself? Perhaps you can do it now. Okay. That means you do it by yourself. You see, we can write here 9 plus x. Okay. Now you multiply it. It is what? 2 into minus 1. Be alert during multiplication. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 2 into minus x minus 2x. Minus x into minus 1, that is plus x. Minus x into minus x, that is plus x square. Minus minus plus, that is plus 1. So we are getting x minus 1. So it is equal to 0. Okay, that means 9 plus x into, it is x square. I have written x square. Now you see, minus 2x plus x minus x plus x. It is 0. Minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. 0. So from here, we can get the value of x, what? Either 9 plus x equals to 0, or let me know, x square minus 3 equals to 0. So we are getting x equals to minus 9. Here x square equals to 3. That is x equals to plus minus root over 3. We have got 3 values of x. This is the most important math to be given in the examination always. Let me know if you fail to understand anywhere. I'm going to do another most important math to be given in the examination. This type of math. Okay. Question number 9-1. Okay, 9-2. 9-2. You see 2 plus x, 3, 1. 2 plus x, 3, 1. Then 3, 1 plus x2, 3, 1 plus x2. 1, 2, 3 plus x. 1, 2, 3 plus x. It is equal to 0. Now see the similarity between the previous math and this math. Almost same. You are getting 2, 3, 1, 6, 2, 3, 1, 6, 3, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 1, 2, 6. Everywhere we are getting 6, right? So what should be done? You know, we can do like this: 6 plus x. Write down. You can do it by yourself. 6 plus x, right? Then it can be kept as it is. 1, 2, 3 plus x. What we have done here? This was found by adding this and this, this and this. That is column. This and this means column. Side by side column. And up down is here row. So column 1 is equal to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Okay. Now we can write down 6 plus x is equal to 1, 1, 1, 3, 1 plus x, 2, 1, 2, 3 plus x equals to 0. Now you are really lucky. Now do it by yourself. I don't have any functioning on this now. Can you do it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want to see who can do it at first. Implies that 6 plus x, it is what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, sorry, 0, 0, 1. This minus this, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equals to what? 2. That is 2 minus x. Then 1 plus x minus 2. That is x minus 1. It is 2. Then it is 1 minus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 3 minus x, that is minus 1 minus x. It is 3 plus x is equal to 0. What I have done, 1 and 1, up, down, that is row. Remember, up and down, that is row. So it is row. Row 1 is equal to row 1 minus row 2. Row 2 equals to row 2 minus row 3. Like the previous math, you can solve it. 6 plus x here, 2 minus x, x minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus x. Do it. Is equal to 0. That means we are getting 6 plus x, okay, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into minus x, minus 2x, minus x into minus 1, plus x, minus x minus x, plus x square. This is minus minus plus x minus 1 equals to 0. So for us, we are getting the same result. 6 plus x, it is what? X square, it is minus 3, you see. So we are getting x equals to 6 and plus minus root over 3. For the last math, it was 9. Can you remember? Okay.
X equal to minus 6 হবে না?
Oh, I'm sorry. X equals to minus 6 and plus minus root over 3. Thank you. Okay. Now you see question number 9.1. X plus A, X plus A, B, C, A, X plus B, A, X plus B, then C. Then we are getting A, B, X plus C is equal to 0. Can you do this? At first, we have to get some combination. You see, if I go for adding the rows, x plus A plus B plus C, x plus A plus B plus C, x plus A plus B plus C. That means we can get the first row like this, x plus A plus B plus C, x plus A plus B plus C, that is x plus A plus B C, x plus B C, B x plus C is equal to 0. Okay, what we have got? We have got row 1. We have got row 1 by adding row 1, row 2 and row 3. Right? Now,
স্যার
yes,
চাইলে কলামও করতে পারতাম না প্লাস?
no. If I would do that, then it would be x plus 3a. It would be x plus 3b. It would be x plus 3c. So nothing would be taken common, right? But here we are getting x plus A plus B plus C common. 1 B C 1 x plus B C. It is 1 B x plus C. Now the math is done, as you have got 1 1 and 1, right? Now you subtract from column to column. X plus A plus B plus C. It is 0. It is 0. It is 1. So it is what? B minus x minus B. B will be omitted. B minus x, that is minus x. C minus C, it is 0. Okay. This is B will be omitted. Only x. Only x. It is only minus x. Have you seen it? Then here we are getting b x plus c equal to 0. What you have got here? I have subtracted column 1 equals to column 1 minus column 2. Column 2 equals to column 2 minus column 3. Okay. That means we are getting here x plus a plus b plus c. If we consider this one, this will be omitted. So minus x, 0, minus x equals to 0. You can take common or directly you can do this will be x square. That means we are getting here x square into x plus a plus b plus c equals to 0. So x equals to 0 minus a plus b plus c. We have got our answer. I don't know, they have given double 0. I mean 0 and 0 or not. 9, 1. No, it's okay. Only 1, 0. So you please try to understand. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now going to do another most important math that is always given in the examination. It is example 2. Okay, you please pay attention. Example 2. Our left hand side is equal to you write down. Yes, you can see the board. Ax plus by. Ax plus by. BC bx plus cy. And it is ax plus by, bx plus cy, and it is 0. It is our left hand side. Remember one thing, that our right hand side is b square minus ac. Right hand side is b square minus ac into x square plus 2bxy, a x square plus 2b xy plus cy square. It is our right hand side. Okay. I think you can see the board, right? Okay. Now, what is to be done here? You see, dear students, what they have done. Oh my God, what they have done. Okay, they used very. Anyway, I am not going to do what they have done here. You see, dear students, I am not going to do what is done in the book. Okay, you see, please here. It is 0. Give emphasis on this 0. Number 1. Number 2. If we take here x and here y, then if we subtract from this, then actually we are done, right? Okay. I mean, you have got me. Suppose it is x, suppose it is y. Now, if we subtract these two parts from this, then it is done, right? So what will we do? At first, I'm going to take 1 by x. 1 by x means here you take ax. Here you take ax. Here you take ax square plus bxy. Perhaps you have got me. I have multiplied by x, and that x, suppose x is taken common from here. Okay, then x and x will be omitted. Now, here we must take y. Then it is by. It is cy. It is bx square plus oh sorry, y, I'm sorry here, bxy plus cy square. Don't follow the book, okay, here for this math. Then in the exam you cannot do. Ax plus by, bx plus cy equals to, okay. Now you see, have you seen our proof? Ax square plus 2bxy plus cy square. You see, if I go for adding, my math is done. Ax square plus bxy, 2bxy. We have got 2bxy. We have got the answer, right? Okay. Now, what will I do? You see, pay attention here. 1 by xy. Okay. You keep it as it is. Write down ax square plus bxy. Write down by cy bxy plus cy square. I have kept as it is. My first target is to get at least 2 zeros. Very good. You subtract the sum of this and this from this. Have you got? If we go for subtracting, we'll get here 0. We'll also get here 0. We will get here minus ax square plus 2bxy plus cy square. Actually, what I have done, column 3 has been obtained from column 3 minus column 1 plus column 2. Please try to understand. I have given the side note. This is the column 3 which has been found by subtracting the sum of first and second column from the third column. Okay, you see bx. Oh, there is no bx. Oh my god, we are wrong. Dear students, please pay attention. We are wrong totally. It is here b. It is here b. None of you just demanded. It is here b. Okay. Have you got me?
जी sir.
Okay. Now you see bx plus cy. This is bx plus cy. Bx and cy have been omitted. Now you see from this we will subtract the sum of this and this. So its summation will be this, and as per minus sign, you see this minus this plus this. So we'll be left with this. If you can do up to this in this way, then it is done. You are done. Just give emphasis on this part. Have you got this part? Only this part. This minus column 3, new column 3 equals to column 3 minus column 1 plus column 2. That means this and this will be added and you will be left with this, okay? Now you see here equals to 1 by xy. Now if I consider this 0, then we'll be left with this minus x square plus 2b xy plus cy square. Then it is ax, it is bx, it is by, it is cy. Now from the first column we can take x common. From the second column we can take y common. Okay, minus x square plus 2bxy plus cy square. We are left with AB, BC. This xy will be omitted. So we are left with minus ax square 2bxy cy square. Okay. Now you see here it is AC minus B square. But in the proof there is B square minus AC. So this minus will be here to get B square minus AC into AX square plus 2BXY plus CY square. So it is our right hand side. This math is always given in the exam, and in this exercise, this was given in the highest numbers, though it is given in the example. I think I've got it. Now I'm going to question number. Another important math. Have you copied it?
जी sir.
You please try at home doing this math minimum 2 or 3 times without seeing. First time do by seeing, but next time you do without seeing. Okay. Today I'm telling it because I know that it will suffer. This math will suffer. 6, 7. Write down what is given here. QR, RP, PQ. Then 1 by P. Then 1 by Q. Then 1 by R. Then it is 1 by P plus 1 by P plus Q. Then it is 1 by Q plus R. Then it is 1 by R plus P. This is the math. Okay, it's okay. You see, in this math, what is to do? You see, you give emphasis here. Out of PQR, what is left here? P is left here. Out of PQR, here Q is left here. Out
Sir,
of PQR.
একটা proof এখানে কি কিছু proof করতে হবে স্যার?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Out of PQR, we are left with R only, right? Is it? So what will I do? You know, I'll multiply it by P. So I cannot multiply unless I am taking P here. That means here P, first column P. So it is PQR, multiply it by P, PQR, multiply it by P, 1, multiply it by P, then 1 plus PQ. Are you getting me? First column, I have multiplied by P. So I have taken 1 by P. PP will be omitted. For second column, you take Q. So what you are getting here, PQR. What you are getting here, only 1. What you are getting here, let me know. 1 plus QR, right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
And for the third column, take R, multiply it by R, multiply it by R, multiply it by R, 1 plus RP. Have you copied it?
जी sir.
Now you see, from the first row, I can take PQR common. PQR can be taken common from the first row. From the first row, PQR can be taken common. So it is 1, 1, 1 plus PQ. It is 1, 1, 1 plus QR. It is 1, 1, 1 plus RP. And we are getting 2 rows equal. What I told you, having 2 rows or 2 columns equal, the determinant is 0. So it is 1 and it is 0. So we have got our right hand side as by 0. Is it okay? So nothing to be worried seeing the maths. Now the hardest math I'm going to do. So please pay attention. This is the left hand side. 1 plus a square minus b square. 1 plus a square minus b square. This is question number 6. Okay. Then it is twice ab by 2b, twice ab by 2b, 2ab, 2ab by 1 minus a square plus b square, then by minus 2a. Then it is bc by ab. I'm sorry what I'm writing here. I'm going down to another one. Minus 2a. Then it is minus 2b. Then it is 2a. Then it is 1 minus a square minus b square. It is the left hand side, and your right hand side is 1 plus a square plus b square whole to the power 3. Can you remember, please? You did same type of, during exam, right? You see, we have 1 plus a square minus b square. We have, but I need this. 1 plus a square plus b square. You please try to understand. I need this, right? So what is left here? Minus 2b square. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this can be written. So we can write here minus 2b square means what? If I multiply it by b, then can I get minus 2b square? Talk to me.
Sir.
Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to multiply the third column by b. You please pay attention. What I am going to write down? Only one line, math of 2 lines only or 1 line. But that 1 line will suffer you. You please try to understand. I am going to write down here 1 plus a square plus b square. Actually, what I am going to do? You write down the side note here. Column 1 is equal to column 1. How we can get this? Let me know. How we can get this? If I add plus 2b square with this, right? If I add plus 2b square with this, right? Plus 2b square minus b, column 3. Please try to understand. If we multiply it by b, then it is plus 2b square. So this plus 2b square equals to this. Please try to understand, then I'll talk to you. Have you got it? All of you, please pay attention.
স্যার আবার একটু বলবেন।
Okay, that's good. What is given here? Let me know. 1 plus a square minus b square. What I need? I need this. I need this. Right? So yes, I can get this if I get here plus 2b square. Then from this line, I can get this line. Is it? This and this are equal, but it can be written 1 plus a square minus b square minus b into minus 2b. This is minus 2b. So this is column 1 minus b. This is column 3. For this, I have written column 1 minus b, column 3. You see again. It is 1 plus a square plus b square. Now this minus this. Can you tell me what will be there? 2ab minus b column 3. That is 2a into column 3 into b. So we are getting 0. Is it?
जी sir.
Okay. Now you see, this is column 1, that is 2b, minus b column 3, minus b into column 3. Am I right? I
जी
am
sir.
going, I will write it, okay, here. So 2b minus b plus a square, 2b minus b plus a square, b minus minus plus b cube. That means we are getting here only b plus a square b plus b cube. That means we are getting here b 1 plus a square plus b square. Have you seen? We are always getting this b into 1 plus a square plus b square. Talk to me.
Yes sir.
What we are going to do? This minus this, but there is b here. This minus this, but with multiplied by multiplying this by b. This minus this, multiplying it by b. Okay. Now for second. Okay, you let me know what should be done here. If I multiply it by a, suppose this into this plus this equals to 0. That means column 2 can be found. Okay, I am getting echo. Hello. Okay. Column 2 equals to column 2 plus a column 3. What is meant by this? 2ab plus this into a. 2ab plus column 3 into a. What is the result? 0. Okay. Now this part 1 minus a square plus b square plus a into column 3. Can you see it is what? 1 plus a square plus b square. Talk to me.
जी sir.
If you don't get, please talk to me. It will be given in the exam and you have to count the number of blades of the fan. Though you will get AC perhaps. But in the center, exam center, final exam, you will not have AC. Okay, anyway. Now column 2 again. This is what? Minus 2a. This is plus a into this column 3. So it is minus 2a plus a minus a cube minus ab square. Minus 2a plus a, that is minus a cube minus ab square. I can take minus a common. Minus a common, that means what? Minus a 1 plus a square plus b square. Right? So we are getting here minus a into 1 plus a square plus b square. This is minus 2b. This is twice a. This is 1 minus a square minus b square. Now you can tell me how you will come to understand in the exam hall. No need to memorize. You will see how I can get this, which is given in the right hand side. it will be your option. And you know that we really don't have any functioning on this part. Actually, you are done. You are only one line left. Now you see from the first column, what the common can be taken. It can be taken as common. Talk to me. Because 0 means what? 0 into this. I told you.
Ji, sir.
From the second column, what can be taken common? Same thing. 1 plus a square plus b square can be taken common, right? So we can get here whole square. So it is 1, it is 0, it is b. It is 0, it is 1, it is minus a, right? It is minus 2b, it is 2a, and it is 1 minus a square minus b square. We have got it. Actually, we don't have any other option, but we have to expand. That means 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, second bracket, we are considering 1, this one. If we consider this one, this and this will be omitted. So we'll be left with this. Okay, very good. Perhaps you may not understand. So I am going to show it. Second bracket, 1 into 1 2a minus a 1 minus a square minus b square. Then it is 0, position minus. So everything will be 0. I am not going to write down. It is minus 2b. If I take minus 2b, this and this will be omitted. So we'll be left with 0, 1, b minus a. And we are done. That means 1 plus a square plus b square whole square is equal to, can you please let me know what will be there? This is 1 minus a square minus b square minus minus plus 2a square. Okay, this is 0, no tension. It is minus 2b. It is 0 into minus a, 0, minus b. It is minus b. That is, it is minus b. So second bracket. This is minus b. Now you calculate it. 1 plus a square plus b square whole square is equal to, we are getting here 1 plus a square minus b square minus minus plus 2b square. Now if we calculate it, we will get 1 plus a square plus b square. That means as a result, 1 plus a square plus b square, this is whole square. There will be another 1 plus a square plus b square. It will make power 3. If you want to answer this math in the exam hall, you have to do this math minimum 10 times at home. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
একটা কোয়েশ্চেন স্যার স্যার আপনি যখন এক্সপ্যান্ড ওয়ার্ডটা ইউজ করছেন স্যার তখন আপনি কি বোঝাচ্ছেন যে মাল্টিপ্লাই করে ফেলা
Like this. I mean to evaluate in your word. The word is evaluate. Okay. Anyway, I am going to do another math. Question number 7. Please try to understand. Write down without expanding. That means your left hand side is I am going to show what is expanding and what is not expanding. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, x minus a, x minus a, x1 minus a, x2 minus a. Okay, y minus b, y1 minus b, y2 minus b. You see, if it is written without expanding, then you cannot do the math as usual. If you go to do the math as usual, then yes, we are lucky. 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Our math is done. But in this math, you cannot do. 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0 means expanding. That means it is the same meaning. 1 into this part, this into in the same meaning. But we cannot follow any of the rule. Neither we can subtract nor we can expand. It is told without expanding. Okay, you see, dear students, perhaps it can be written, please pay attention, all of you, that they told you 1, 1, 1, right? Talk to me. X, x1, x2, y minus b, y1 minus b, y2 minus b. Can you write? Actually, what we have not considered, this one. 1, 1, 1, a, 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 y minus b, y1 minus b, y2 minus b. Can you please talk to me what I have done here?
Yes,
স্যার
sir.
এখানে একটা কোয়েশ্চেন স্যার
Yes.
স্যার আমরা যদি মাইনাস করি না স্যার তাহলে এটা এরকম কেন হচ্ছে না 0 0 0 x minus a x1 minus a x2 minus a 0 0 0
That is called expanding.
মানে স্যার সাবট্রাক্ট করলে কেন ওখানে 0 নাই
You please listen to me. 1, 2, 3, suppose 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we can write 1 into this, minus 2 into this, plus 3 into this, right? Has the same meaning of subtracting this in minus this minus this, same thing. Okay? If you do the math by subtracting, the result you will get, if any student can do like this, same result will be given. For any math, you will get the same result. It is not necessary to subtract. You can do every math by expanding. Okay? But if we go to subtracting, then it will be large. For this, we make it 1 and 1, 0, like this. Anyway, you see. Have you got this math or not? This is my question. You see, x minus a, x1 minus a, x2 minus a. Remember one thing, you cannot, okay, you cannot, I mean, do two functionings at a time. That means you cannot tell this, sir, I will also do this part. No, it will be done afterwards. Now you see this part, the first part, 1, 1, 1, x, x1, x2, you see. Then y, y1, y2, y, y1, y2, talk to me. Minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, x, x1, x2, x, x1, x2, b, b, b. I have already taken minus common. Have got. Actually, this part has been done here. Now this part, minus a can be taken common. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Y minus b, y1 minus b, y2 minus b. Talk to me. Please talk to me.
জি স্যার।
I am not going to take any initiative on this part because we have already got 0, having 2 columns equal, right? So actually we are getting here 1, 1, 1, x, x1, x2, y, y1, y2. Here b can be taken common, minus b, 1, 1, 1, x, x1, x2, 1, 1, 1, and it is wholly and fully 0. That is a into 0, having 2 columns equal, right? Now you see this is also 0. So we are left with 1, 1, 1, x, x1, x2, y, y1, y2 is equal to our required right hand side. Talk to me. Was it hard?
স্যার অনেক ছিল,
Huh? Easy?
অনেক অনেক হার্ড ছিল।
Really? I don't think so. Why you are calling it hard?
স্যার আসলে হার্ড ছিল।
Then you are really extremely wrong. You see, 1, 1, 1, AB, BC into B plus C, then CA into C plus A, AB into A plus B. Okay, I told you what is missing here. Can you please let me in this line? A, ABC, ABC, right? In this line, ABC. If I take B, ABC. If I take B, ABC. If I take B, sorry, if I take C, ABC. If I take C, ABC, right? So can you please let me know what should be taken here or what is to be done? Please let me know. If I multiply the first row by A, write down. If I multiply the first row by A, then it is A. If it is A, this is A. It is ABC. Talk to me. It is again ABC. Am I right? I am going to multiply the, please try to understand. I am going to multiply the first row by A. Then go to second row. Multiply by B. That is B. It is what? Let me know. ABC. It is what? Let me know. ABC. Right? Then go for taking C for the third row. It is what? C. It is ABC. It is again ABC into A plus B. Just let me know if you fail to understand. All of you. Now you see, from the second column, I can take ABC common. From the third column, I can take also ABC common. You will tell me where you fail to understand, please, or I fail to make you understand. This is ABC, this is ABC. From the second column, I have taken ABC common. From the third column, I have taken ABC common. And actually, what is happening here? It is A, B, C, 1, 1, 1. It is B plus C. It is C plus A. It is A plus B. Okay? Are you getting it? From
Yes,
here,
sir.
can you write that this and this have been omitted? So we are getting here ABC, A, B, C, 1, 1, 1, B plus C, C plus A plus B, proved. But I have not written right hand side. It is one of the proofs, though our math is not done yet. I think you have got me. Now, from here, what can be written? Can you please let me know? From here, what can we write? Who can tell me? From here, we can write, you see, dear students, ABC, it is A, B, C, 1, 1, 1. Then if I go for adding the third column, we'll get 1 plus A plus B plus C, 1 plus A plus B plus C, 1 plus A plus B plus C. Have you got it? Is it okay?
Ji, sir.
Actually, what we have done here, column 3 is equal to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Now you see ABC into 1 plus A plus B plus C, it is equal to ABC 1, 1, 1. It is 1, 1, 1. So we are getting two columns same. So that is equal to what? It is our right hand side. The first part was told without expanding. Now then you have to prove that the value of this is equal to 0. I think none of you is in a hurry, right?
No, sir.
Thank you. I don't have any work, so today, I mean, I don't have any other class today. It is the last class today. Now, please pay attention, all of you, 100% attention. Left hand side, please, I request you, write down the math very properly, okay, so that you can easily get it. It is B plus C, write down. B plus C, then it comes C plus A, then A plus B, right? Okay, that's good. Then it is Q plus R, R plus P, P plus Q. Then it is Y plus Z, then Z plus X, then X plus Y. It is the left hand side. The right hand side is very small. Let's see what comes here. But don't be afraid of, please, I request you. Without expanding. You see, at first, I will have the functioning only on this part. So I am going to separate it into two parts. Number one, you write down BQY, BQY. Then it is C plus A plus B, R plus P, P plus Q, Z plus X. X, I told you that you cannot do the two parts at a time. Cannot tell me what should be here? C, R, Z. This C, R, Z. In number one, if you did not understand properly, so I request you to pay attention. You see, B plus C, it is B plus C. Now the other parts will be kept as it is, that is C plus A plus B, R plus P, P plus Q, Z plus X, X plus Y. Talk to me where you have failed to understand, please. Then afterwards you will tell me, sir, I have not got it, or it was hard. I am going to have functioning only on the first column. Here we have got two parts, BQY, BQY, and the other part CRZ, CRZ, and other two columns have been kept as it is in both the parts. Okay?
जी sir.
Okay.
স্যার এটা কিভাবে বুঝবো যে এই দুইটাই আলাদা করতে হবে?
Okay, you can do this one, not a matter. You can do this one, not a matter. It was in the first for this. I have done it. Okay. Now you see, and we are going to the other two parts. You see again you see. Pay attention, all of you. Okay. Make your copy length of 1 mile or 1 kilometer. Okay. Write down B, Q, Y. Okay. Can you see the board properly? Now we'll have functioning only on this part. That means CRZ, CRZ, it is what? A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Plus, what should I write? BQY, BQY, APX, APX, then it is A plus B, P plus Q. Actually, what I have done, please try to understand. I have not done any functioning on this part yet. I have done this part only. It is BQY, BQY. You see C plus A, C plus A, R plus P, R plus P, Z plus X, Z plus X. Okay? And this part will be kept as it is. Talk to me.
আচ্ছা স্যার এটার জন্য কি আলাদা কোনো কন্ডিশন লেখা লাগবে যে মানে আমরা যেমন
No,
আগে
no,
লিখতাম
no,
যে
no, 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 no condition. Okay, now you see C, R, Z. You write down, suppose 3 equals to 1 plus 2. What is the condition? It is like that.
আচ্ছা
Okay.
স্যার একটা কোয়েশ্চেন স্যার ধরে নেন আমাদের এমসিকিউ তে সেকেন্ড লাইনটা আসলো, তো আমরা তখন কি বুঝবো যে এটা কিভাবে, এটা কি মানে অ্যাডিশন করব নাকি কয়েকটা কলাম বাদ দিয়ে প্লাস করব, মানে কিভাবে বুঝবো আমরা?
It will not be given in MCQ ever in your life. Okay, it is a math of about 10 pages. Okay.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay, you please pay attention again. Now we have to have the functioning on this part. As I told you earlier, that here, this one, right? Okay, so we can write here CRZ. It is also CRZ. It is what? A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y.
So A line ta bujhini.
Okay, I am doing it. Then I will tell you C R Z. Okay, APX, APX, A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Let me know which one. You see, this is for this part. Are you getting me?
Sir?
This part is equal to these two parts, where this has been separated. And here, for this math, this part is equal to this part, where this part has been separated. Now let me know, you see C plus A, C plus A, R plus P, R plus P, Z plus X. Z plus X.
জি
Use the
স্যার
straight
বুঝেছি
one.
স্যার
Okay, all of
বুঝেছি
you.
স্যার
All of you.
জি স্যার।
Are you getting it? Just
জি
wait.
স্যার।
Wait. Okay. Okay, now again, pay attention. Now, you see, we have here this part. Please pay attention, this part only. What can be written here? Let me know. B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. Now, what should be written? Let me know. A, P, X. We are going to separate this part now. So it is APX. Again, let me know. B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. It is BQY. I have done only this part. Please don't be confused. This part is done only. Talk to me. And you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার।
Okay, that's good. Now let me know for this. This part. B, Q, Y, A, P, X. Then you separate this. You separate this part. Let me know what will be. APX again. Right? Then go for doing this part. BQY, BQY, APX, BQY. Actually, I have now done this part only. You see, this part is done now by these two parts. Please talk to me. Okay. Hello, everybody.
Yes,
জি
sir.
স্যার। Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these parts are not, I mean, necessary. Now you see, we are getting these two columns same for this part, right? What should be here? 0 plus 0, right? So
Yes,
we
sir.
we don't need this part. Now go to the last part. Last part means what? Can you please let me know? It is C, R, Z, A, P, X. You see. Then we can write again APX. Plus C, R, Z, A, P, X. Then what? BQY. Perhaps you have got it by giving other ink. Is it okay? This part has been written here. Okay. Now you see we don't have any entry where there is plus sign. We have no entry now where there is a plus sign. Every entry is now single, right? I mean, there is no A plus B, there is no X plus Y. I'm telling about that. Every entry is now single. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now you see, it is what? Let me know. B, C, A, Q, R, P. It is Y, Z, X. Oh my God, this is 0? Huh?
Yes, sir.
These and these are same. So we are getting here plus 0. Oh my God, this is also 0. So we are also again getting 0. How fantastic, right? The math is. You see, this is also same.
0.
So we are getting again 0. This 0, I mean, it is not useless. Wow, here is also same. So we are getting 0 here, right? Remember one thing, only the first and last will be kept. And it is always for every math. Also for finding the sum of any sequence. You see, we are left with what? C, R, Z, A, P, X, B, Q, Y. Okay? Now talk to me.
Ji, sir.
Okay. Now, let's see what is our right hand side. Now we can give emphasis. Our right hand side is 2 into A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. It is our right hand side. Okay, not a matter. You see what I'm going to do. Can you please make these 2 into this? Perhaps not, right? Okay. It is what? APX. You see, APX. I am going to write down this is APX. Then it is what? BQY. So this and this will be exchanged. You see, C, R, Z, BQY. I know that you have not got it. This is a minus sign. Just let me know only this part where you have not got it. I have only exchanged this column one time. So there is only one minus sign. It has been taken first and it has been taken last. At last. Okay? This is as it is. This is as it is. Have you got or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you see, same thing for the last one. This is minus. You see, this and this you can exchange. So A, P, X, C, R, Z, it is B, Q, Y. Okay, I'll finish by 5:30. Okay, now see. Again, as per the requirement of the proof, you see, there is B in the mid portion. So we can get another minus, right? That minus and this minus will make positive. That means A, it is what? P, X, it will be in the second position, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. Again plus A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. I think you have got it. It is equal to 2 into A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z equals to right hand side. No more today. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Bye bye.